This is the #1 stock that I hate right now. So your free report reveals the #1 stock that I hate enough to short right now. Are you ready? This is the #1 stock that I hate right now. So why do I hate this so much? Again, I've got nothing wrong personally with the company Tesla, but you know what? It doesn't mean that I can't trade or profit from a downward movement in the stock's price. So what I've got here is the daily chart of Tesla, and you can see some of my analysis already on the chart. Broadly speaking, what we can see is that there is a consolidation as outlined on the chart. If we wanted to be finicky, we could certainly be thinking about a sloped downward price activity making lower highs. So why do I hate this? It's not necessarily the consolidation that I disapprove of. I've sent out alerts that profit from the recent reactions off the boundary low. Now, usually, my philosophy is that until something new develops, the same thing is likely to continue happening. So that's what I was doing. I was buying and selling the reactions off the extreme boundaries of this consolidation. So what has developed is something new. So what we see is that price has now moved past the consolidation boundaries on Tesla's daily chart. So, and again, just ballparking this, the boundary is about the $300 level. So it's around about there. So price has pushed outside of its established consolidation, and it has been in a consolidation since last April. So we're just coming into April now. So it's been in a consolidation for 12 months. So now price has moved outside of that consolidation. Something new has developed. Now this is what we might technically call a breakout, or in this case a breakdown, because prices have moved down away from the consolidation. But more importantly, what we have is prices now retraced back to this break point, and what we can see here is a nice sign of exhaustion. So again, from the textbook's point of view, this would be a breakdown. Prices retraced. The previous support is now acting as resistance. That's usually how it's phrased. And I've got a nice little sign of exhaustion that says, you know what, that rally, that move up to this logical stopping point is now exhausted. Prices have turned around intraday to suggest further downward movements. Usually I would expect price to retest the recent lows, and that's around about the $240 level. And then we can expect price to potentially push further. Looking down and left, there's nothing really in its way until it gets to this level here that I'm just marking now. So maybe we see price get all the way down to $180 on the assumption that it can jump past $240 first. So these are my two targets. This is my reasoning. This is my logic. So that's where we're at. This is why I hate Tesla. So do you want another 12 stocks? Now, this is a free educational service provided by me, Mr. Phil Newton, and the AntiVestor method. All you need to do is to click the link somewhere around or on this video, and you will get 12 more stocks that I either love or hate enough to trade. You see, every day I basically send out an alert about what I'm trading, when I'm trading, why I'm trading it. And you can see a quick example of that on the screen right here. So I send that out to you on a daily basis, and that goes out usually around 90 minutes before the stock market opens. So all you need to do is to click the link, enter your best email, and your next stock will be delivered around 60 to 90 minutes prior to the next opening bell. So what are you waiting for? Go and click the link right now and let me know where I should send your next stock alert.